What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Full Throttle Auto. My name is Harris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.4 liter. Coming up. First off, let's go ahead and go over the cabin air filter. I picked up a STP CAF1817P, same brand as the intake air filter from the last video. Picked it up from AutoZone that's near me. You're gonna go ahead and go to the passenger side front seat and open up the glove compartment and take everything out. Then you're gonna unscrew two tabs that you're gonna see on each side of the glove compartment. On the side of it, there's gonna be a little bar that you have to unclip from this little tab that it sits connected to. It's going to be a little difficult, but you'll be able to do it no problem. Then you're going to pinch the tab that's holding in this little cover over the cabin air filter. Go ahead and take out the air filter, but make sure you realize the arrow, which way it's pointing. This is significant because the new air filter is going to go in that same direction. On this particular air filter, the arrow is on a different side. It is still there showing you the direction of the airflow. You're going to want to make sure this is facing downwards. Once you put the new air filter in, go ahead and put back the cover over the air filter and then plug in the little lever that's on the side and connect that back to the tab. And then, of course, screw in the other two screws, tabs, whatever you want to call them, on each side. And that's it for this one. I hope it helped out for anybody who's out there that might not be 100% certain on how to do this, but wants to save some money. As for anybody else who watches the channel regularly, I'll see you guys in the next one.